new background for today's video, and okay, lighting's there, but so's Loki. You know the drill. We're gonna let him do his thing. Say hi to everyone. Hey, baby. It's only because the camera's out. You should know that, just straight out. It's camera's out and it's his time to shine. Just let them see your face though, because we know why you're here. Let them see it. There we go. Do you not have the cutest, like, snuggliest little face you've ever seen? Okay, so we're filming in a new spot. This is kind of like the backdrop of my dining room. For those of you that like don't follow me on my vlog channel, you get to see like the whole house and me like down. Yeah, so if you don't follow my vlog channel, then this is new to you. All right, so we're just gonna do a haul. I went to sit out here because I wanted to like try the lighting because there's a window directly in front of me, and I feel like it's pretty good lighting. I should have like filmed here a long time ago. But let me know what you guys think of the background. So anyways, all right, this haul is actually the same trip that I made from my last Dollar Tree haul I posted, which really blew up in views. So thank you so much for those of you that watched that video. I'll link it down below, but this is all the same store and the same finds. So it really was like a jackpot haul, but because the other one, I wanted it to be like more of a themed with the beauty stuff that I found. So I decided to kind of sift these items and do a whole separate like haul for them. Also, I'm doing some type of like 80s thing here, and I don't know if it's it, but we're gonna go with it. All right, so I'll just show you guys what I got. There's not that much in this haul, but I did get some sponges. It was just time to like restock, so I got that. I also got some of these. Another thing that I've been trying is I've been trying to clean Loki slobber off the walls, and I took to my Instagram and I asked you guys like, please help. How do I get to slobber off the walls? Because it actually stains. I would take a wet rag and just kind of like go over it, but it actually stains. So the wet rag just didn't work. A lot of you actually told me a vinegar and water solution, and that actually works. It removes the stains. So I put it in like a spray bottle, but I haven't liked the rag aspect of it, if that makes sense. So I thought I would use a brush. However, I think this brush might be a little too hard for paint. I have another brush, not to confuse anybody, like I'm talking about brushes here, but there's another long brush from Dollar Tree. It's a lot softer, but then that's almost like too soft. So it's kind of like I'm having a Goldilocks moment with the brushes, and I'm just trying to like find the right one because a rag is just too hard. So that's my life right now, is that. Then I found these, which I thought were really awesome. I don't think I've ever bought these. So this is a bendable microfiber long. How is it bendable? I mean, is it gonna snap? It feels like it would snap. I don't get it, but I guess it's bendable. But it just looks like such a good duster. And something that I really struggle with a cleaning routine is dusting. It always like falls off my radar so much. And it's only when I see it like on I Love Lucy, I'll watch Lucy dust, that I'm like, I have to dust. So as weird as an explanation as that is, I'm trying to remind myself to dust. And I love the dusters from Dollar Tree. Then I found this one, which is specifically made, it has a hole in here, and you can see it's made for the ceiling fan. I mean, the picture, I think. I don't know, I can't tell. Yeah, this way. So I thought that was so cool. Now they do have it where you can add the rod in here and screw it in here, which is really awesome. But Dollar Tree sells it, you know, as a separate piece. So, but it's cool though, that you do get this option. So I'm gonna try it, and it feels really good. Like, it feels nice and dense and not cheap. So I'm excited for that. I also found some more ribbons at Dollar Tree. These are new for me. The first time picking them up, they have like this little iridescent thing going on, and I just love the heart trim of it. And then in one of my last hauls, I showed you guys a trim that looks like this, but it was like pink and red. And in that video, I was like, I bet they have white. And then I went to a different store and found it in white. But it's so pretty. Ribbon is gorgeous at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use this in my junk journal. I also picked up these stickers just because I really like them. And I have a bunch already, if I'm being honest. But I just, whenever I see it again, I just grab some more. So it's just so cute. Like, I love that they're clear. I can't believe they're $1.25, because at Michael's this would be like five-ish bucks, maybe even more, if I'm being honest. Do you? And then, yeah, I got another one of these. The girls are like running around, if you're seeing them, because they're going, like, they're working out and they're going out in the backyard. So this view, you just get a lot of traffic activity. So yeah, I guess I got another one of the white ones. I also picked up this little box, even though I was just talking about gnomes and how I'm completely over the gnome thing at Dollar Tree specifically. Now, the reason why I'm over it from a Dollar Tree perspective, and not, like, if I were to go to another store, I don't mind seeing gnomes, but Dollar Tree doesn't do very many themes, is my point. So I feel like, give us a break and give us something else, you know? So, but I saw this box with a gnome, and out of all the gnome things, I just really liked it. Now the back is plain, but the front has the red foil, which is really cute. So I really liked the side, and I decided to get it. What am I even doing? What am I even saying on my YouTube channel? Then I picked up a package of these little DIY stickers. They are stickers. Some of them are plain, so if you wanted to, you could DIY them. I actually like them as is. They're so pretty. Like, I personally wouldn't do anything extra to them. So I wanted to do some type of like gift jar, and I thought these would be really cute to like decorate and put on the jar. So video coming soon. Then I got these little table scatter. So they don't have a sticker adhesive to them or anything. They're just like, you know, decoration, but I craft with this, so I just use a little bit of glue and they're fine. So I got that. I also got this little pitcher, but I actually got this for my bathroom. One of the things that I wish I had in my master shower was the ability to have like a shower head you can detach, because it makes it so easy to clean your shower wall. Like, I don't care for it for like myself, because a attached shower head is fine for me, but it's also great to like bathe pets with as well. But the way my shower's set up, it's got like a rain shower head and then another one, so it wouldn't look as nice, I guess, if I were to change it out, if that makes sense, because they're designed to be the way they are. So as a solution, I was just like, I just need to get a bucket specifically for my shower. That way I can fill it up with water and then like rinse it, you know, after I've scrubbed it clean. So that whole story is for that. I tell stories with all the items I show. You probably already knew that. I also picked up one of these, but I'm pretty sure that I've hauled them before. For whatever reason, I felt like they looked new, but they're not. They've definitely come around. I think it's just been like a restock. So I think they're really cute. I think I would love this for like a charcuterie board setup, or if you're like having a party or some type of salad bar kind of thing, you could write what each station is. And I think that would be really cute, or like a baby shower, you know, stuff like that. So I really like that. I'm trying to find like another reason to use this like in my craft room. So I don't know, we'll see. Also, I picked up this little piece. I know I have it in like the cow and the chicken, but I don't know if I ever got it with the little house. But it has the beads. It's so cute in Farmhouse. I'm gonna style this in a tier tray soon. So I picked that up. And then I found these farmhouse signs from Crafter Square. Like, what? Like, they're not magnets. They're just like a little sign. Tier tray is where my mind again goes with this. I don't know like what else I would do with it, but comment down below and let me know what you would do. Here's a little barn, and then you get 3. You get 3 in here. They kind of look like coasters a little bit, but they're not. So maybe you could use them as that. Farm fresh, and then the little truck I thought was absolutely adorable. There's probably a 4th option, but I don't know if I got it or what. Okay, then I found some, I completely forgot. I meant to film this video before my niece and nephew came so that I could give them this, and I completely forgot. But they're already gone. We had a great time. The vlog is coming out today, by the way, if you're waiting for that vlog. But this is a cute little book. So you get like the ability to dress him up into different like roles, like a doctor and a policeman and a construction worker, you know, a little zookeeper. So it's so cute. Look, a little businessman. Yeah, so these little sticker books are a gem at Dollar Tree in my personal opinion. Then I found these 2 options for my niece. So I'll just like mail that to them at this point for their Valentine's Day baskets. And I love the whole Cinderella or the Disney princess knockoff, I guess. So you got Cinderella and Beauty and the Beast. Even though this one actually says Beauty and the Beast, but this one doesn't say Cinderella. But it's clearly her with her pumpkin carriage. I mean, I guess it's not a pumpkin, but I don't know what my deal is today, you guys. Like, I'm just, I don't know, my brain is slightly checked out today. And so if you feel like I'm bouncing all over, my bad. But comes with stickers, and it also looks like a little case. I just want to point out though, like for my crafters and junk journalers, you could easily cut this little picture out. Like, look how vibrant, colorful, and beautiful that is. The front may be too large, but like you always have this back option, right? So cute. If you were to do like a themed junk journal, maybe it's a Disney theme or it's Beauty and the Beast theme or like whatever. So, but it's the same thing. You get stickers, and then the rest of it is just like activity, coloring. Yeah, and turn the page. So, got those, so I'll mail those out. And then my store put out this, and I'm like, why am I just now seeing this? I really feel like something's been off with my stores personally, of like not stocking on time, or at least like what I'm used to Dollar Tree doing. They're usually so ahead of the game, but like it's just felt like way behind for Valentine's Day. But anyways, so like, but this is so pretty. I love the color combinations. I love the hearts in the basket. It's pretty. Definitely decorative for me. And then we have the oven mitt, Be Mine. There's no red in this one, which I found interesting. And then here's this bike. So I feel like all of this definitely matches together. But this one, I don't know, comment. Do they have the matching oven mitt to this and the pot holders to this? Because I didn't find that. I just found this, and then I found these. But here's the basket up close. This one has flowers. And then this basket. I definitely prefer this bike. This is my favorite. If they had all of this in this option, that would be the set that I would personally, like, look at this, what's happening? I also found this little, what do they call these? Silicone trays. It's a chocolate mold. But I feel, I don't know, I could be wrong, so let me know if I am wrong. But you could also maybe do ice with this as well. And you could do heart molds, which would be really cute for ice cubes. One thing that like I'm addicted to on TikTok is watching people read. There's this one girl, I don't know who she is, but she restocks her freezer with all of her ice molds, and some of them are like huge squares, and she put like lemons and basil or like whatever, and then probably not basil, mint is probably what I'm thinking. And then she does heart molds, and sometimes they're like chocolate. She pours like iced coffee in them and freezes them. And then she has a little heart chocolate ice cream, or ice. What is wrong with me today? It's an off day. Yeah. You get what I'm saying, right? Anyways, I watch her do all of this stocking. She has so many different variations of like ice cube trays and molds, and it's just like mind-blowing. It's so satisfying to watch. So when I saw this at Dollar Tree, it sparked that, and I thought I would do it too with the hearts. And the very last thing is this little photo holder stand. That's what it says on the back here. And I was just like, what? Where has this been the whole month of January? So it even has like the heart shape. You just put a photo there in the center. And then it has a little rhinestone. Says be mine. It's so cute. Like, I love it. You know, this is what I would like expect to see at Dollar Tree. I don't know if they had any other option or any other colors. Maybe they did and I just grabbed the pink, but that's what I went for. Should I have filmed myself today? No. Now I'm just kind of debating on whether or not I keep all the awkward parts in this video and just like let you see my struggle. And maybe I just will. So apologies. I can't say in advance because it's the end of the video, but it just gets worse. The more I keep talking, the worse it gets. Yeah. I'm gonna go.